Manual recording will now start.
It could be using machine learning whereby, let's say, thinking includes what it's doing is it has the objective to win the game of chess.
Manual
An understatement, but I don't mean that it's shitty writing. It's actually probably pretty accurate to how races with this much history might feel towards each other, and how they might just allow everything to be
Manual recording will now start.
Final hours of life everywhere. When we make it back to the ship, the situation with the ship's AI, Edie, is still going on. Upon investigation, it turns out that Edie had been trying to extract information from the android that juggled Kaden like a bowling ball. This resulted in the android putting up a fight and Edie forcibly taking it over. And that's how new companions are made. I think this is probably a decent...
God, that was real inconsiderate.
...actually handled in this, dropping the cradle containing the bomb down a shaft into the earth, right? I'm not an engineer, so that's my vague assessment of it.
What are you doing?
Clemens wasn't given these appointments because he was particularly talented or anything like that. It was purely because of his bloodline.
Manual recording will now start.
In fact,
after that, his father went to his Turian leader friend and wound up convincing him to at least put Garrus in charge of a task force to help prepare for the Reapers. Of course, this was just a
Manual
token
recording
gesture, as
will
no one
now
really
start.
believed that the Reapers existed.
Elizabeth never forgot the tried and true classic methods of beating girls to death with clubs and burning them out in the open and under heavy fire. It was here that Upham really demonstrated his leadership capabilities as he put himself...
Manual recording will now start.
...shout encouragement to his men, which even spurred on his commanding officer. Upham then managed to single-handedly overrun several...
Can't screw it up, so I'm not blocking the intersection. Good.
One time, on a trip to Buckingham Palace, he apparently got to have lunch with Prince Andrew.
Manual recording will now start.
You're still looking at the phone.
Christian attended
10, Ocracoke Island, North Carolina. Now, that's a tough word to say, and I'm sure I messed it up a little bit. But this is a little unknown hardening system. In the previous video, Knife Sharpness, a lot of viewers suggested that a low-quality knife blade is just not capable of being very sharp. This
I'm surrounded by retards.
than living space, there was still enough room for William to take on a couple of students as lodgers in the house for a summer in 1984. Despite...
Manual